The Runaway Pancake. Once upon a time, there lived a woman who had 7 children. One day, the woman decided to make pancakes for breakfast. As she cooked the first pancake and the smell wafted across the kitchen, the children licked their lips. Inside the frying pan, the pancake could hear the children talking.
That pancake smells delicious. Can I taste the pancake first, please, Mother?
The children's tummies rumbled as the pancake bubbled and cooked in the pan. The mother flipped the frying pan and tossed the pancake over. As it cooked, the pancake became scared. It didn't like the idea of being eaten, so it jumped right out of the pan and ran straight through the door. The family gave chase, but they could not keep up with the pancake.
Come back!
They cried.
No, I'm too fast for you,
shouted the pancake, and he quickly ran on. Soon the pancake met a dog.
"Hello, Mr. Pancake,"
said the dog.
"Please stop running so I can eat you up."
No, I'm too fast for you,
shouted the pancake, and he quickly ran on. After that, the pancake met a rabbit.
Hello, Mr. Pancake,
said the rabbit.
Please stop running so I can eat you up. No, I'm too fast for you,
shouted the pancake, and he quickly ran on. Around the bend, the pancake met a duck.
"Hello, Mr. Pancake,"
said the duck.
"Please stop running so I can eat you up."
No, I'm too fast for you,
shouted the pancake, and he quickly ran on. A little while later, the pancake met a cat.
Hello, Mr. Pancake,
said the cat.
Please stop running so I can eat you up. No, I'm too fast for you,
shouted the pancake, and he quickly ran on. Then the pancake met a goat.
"Hello, Mr. Pancake,"
said the goat.
"Please stop running so I can eat you up."
No, I'm too fast for you,
shouted the pancake, and he quickly ran on. Down the lane, the pancake came across a fox.
Hello, Mr. Pancake,
said the fox.
Please stop running so I can eat you up. No, I'm too fast for you,
shouted the pancake, and he quickly ran on. Suddenly, the pancake saw a pig pen. He ran forward for a closer look.
Hello, little pancake. Who are you trying to run away from?
asked the pig.
Everyone is chasing me. They want to eat me up.
Why don't you come and hide inside my pig pen? I'll protect you.
Thank you,
said the pancake. The pancake ran into the pig pen. As quick as a flash, the pig lifted the pancake with his snout, tossed it into the air, and gobbled it up. That was the end of the Runaway Pancake. The end.